What do we get when we have 1,500 kilograms and a ton load of power? A McLaren 720S, a Volkswagen Golf R. Dan, guys, the crew, what are we doing with a Golf R here? It's a McLaren 720S Spyder review. Whatever, change the car. Presenting to you the McLaren 720S Spyder. It only weighs in at 1,437 kilograms. This particular car here has been completely optioned up with the exterior carbon fiber options. As you can see, there's carbon fiber on the headlights, carbon fiber on the front bumper. It's got sexy looking rims. That's the first time we mentioned sexy on the camera, but this car does look sexy. Believe me, it does. This special blue color with that orange lined interior, absolutely amazing. They haven't really changed much except for the roof here. The roof comes off. It's a very fast roof, but we'll time that. Right now, there's now glass here, so it doesn't obstruct your rear view mirror and the rear view vision that you have, so you can see all around you. It's a very, very good supercar. This car has hypercar performance, hypercar speed at the price of a supercar, and still the looks of a supercar, but believe me, in person, it looks absolutely stunning. And this is a car that everybody cherishes. It's a trendsetter. It's faster than a Ferrari 488. It's faster than the Huracan. It's absolutely McLaren. It's all about beating the competition. And what we're gonna do is find out. But before we do all that, we gotta check out the interior. And as I said, we're gonna time that roof. First up, carbon fiber options in this car. Carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber center dash, and these seats, they're not carbon, but you can option that up. These are so comfortable. I can't even express how comfy they are. Thank you, McLaren. I drove 300 kilometers in these seats, no back pain whatsoever. Absolutely love this. And I love how the center is in leather with center pipe work in orange. That's optional. You can get any color you want, or you can have it all Alcantara. But this car, two-tone leather with Alcantara on the exterior, I love it. Alcantara on the center console, Alcantara on the dash. It's absolutely the way you'd like it. It's still sporty and very comfy. So you know what, guys? You don't need so much leather conditioner after, or less work in this. But with this interior, it's still bare bone, but there's still more features than a 600 LT. For now, let's jump into the multimedia system and see how it works. With your multimedia interface, we've got everything here as a touchscreen up there. Then you've got all your shortcuts down here. So you've got the navigation button, the aircon. It's all touchscreen, so you can adjust it as you like. Telephone button, then the mute button. And you've got your radio control here, and you've got your multimedia here. Quite simple. You want to go back to your home screen, it's like an iPad mini, press that center button, and we're done. Now over to the main controls. To activate these controls here, you've got to press the active button, the light lights up, then you have C for comfort, S for sport, T for track. This adjusts the suspension. Then down here, you've got C for comfort again, S for sport, then T for track. Now look at that. The cluster now changes into track mode. So what that shows is the gear you're in, your RPM and your speed. That's it, nothing else. You want that to come back up? Whilst you're in track mode, you press this button here and it pops right open again. Coming back to these controls, these control your suspension up here and your engine and gearbox down here. So your engine gear shifts become so much quicker. The throttle becomes responsive. With this, the aerodynamics start to play, or you can have the aero button switched on, then the spoiler deploys itself. When you move down to the center console, you've got the engine start button, simple as that. You've got D for drive, N for neutral, R for reverse, hazard lights, launch control, which we love. Then you've got your key, and then you've got your key holder just right here. Pretty slick design. Then you've got your roof button, so you can open and close your roof, and this for the rear window. You've got a cup holder here and a cup holder down in there. Quite simple, and that is what this interior is all about. Now we're going to test out this roof. We've heard that it's really quick coming on and off. Let's put it to the test. That was really quick. Well done, McLaren. Now with the roof down, we can take this car for a spin. Let's go. The McLaren 720S Spider. This is a beast. And for the first time it's loud because the roof is off. But this thing, put your foot down, and it's hold back. You gotta hold on to that steering wheel like anything because this thing throws you back. 710 brake horsepower, 0 to 100 in only 2.9 seconds, with 770 Newton meters of torque. What could you expect? Nothing but then throwing you back into your seat. 1,437 kilograms. It's a lightweight convertible beast. And all you hear is the bells and whistles. The turbos just spool up so quick that you just can't believe it. There's a slight turbo lag, but not much at all. But when you sit down ergonomically, the seats are just straight. Everything is perfect. The steering wheel is nice and small, just like an F1 car. It just feels so nimble. It feels so light, and it feels so goddamn quick. This thing around the corners, believe me, it flies and it exits very, very fast. If you're seeking thrills, all about the thrills when driving fast and high-speed performance and quick instant acceleration, this car is it. The 720S is unrivaled. Driving 488 Spider, the Huracan Spider, and all the other cars, the rivalries at the moment, nothing performs like this car here today. Nothing at all. The only thing that may outperform this is a Pista Aperta, being a Spider version of the 488 Aperta, but that's another ball game altogether, because we don't know what McLaren are going to bring out next in terms of the LT series, which we all know they'll definitely bring something to combat Ferrari's 488 Aperta. But right now, in today's market, there is really nothing quicker, nothing as brutal as this car. That instantaneous power and speed is just remarkable. It is unbelievable. You cannot fathom how quick this car climbs in speed, and it gets you there in style, in comfort, and in elegance. Because how else is a car more elegant than the McLaren 720S right now? It's in blue, our color of choice right now. Carbon fiber options, it's got the carbon fiber option 1 and 2, and the car just screams in looks, screams in sound, and screams in performance. weighs 1,437 kilograms with a Spider drop-top roof. But that extra performance is unbelievable. It makes the 600 LT its true little brother. Smile for the camera. We look great. 720S is just all about fun. So when we talk about this review, there really is nothing that I could say that's negative about its performance, about its styling, about its comfort. It's all about the McLaren 720S, about enjoying it. It's a fun car. Yeah, this is how much you can feel the torque. Now you can feel that. Now that's torque. And now everything's all about turbo, so I'm really enjoying this turbo motive era. You drop down a gear, you're in 3,000 RPM, pull your foot down slightly, let go, you can hear the wastegate exit a bit of that air. It sounds like a mini blow-up valve. I like it. Reminds me of cars like the F40, but that makes it on a larger scale. Yeah. But all those turbo spool-ups and all the turbo noises that you get out of this car with the roof off, I never knew these existed. You just never heard this in the coupe version. It just didn't provide all the shits and giggles. This does, and I like it. God, the way you get to that speed so quick, it's jaw-dropping.